Yo, so we are getting together with the boys today. We are gonna just work on some cars. So it is my day off, it's their day off. This is once in a blue moon, and I figured why not just bring you guys along for the ride. We're gonna go ahead and meet up with Chris and Ondo and potentially some of the other homies, and we're just gonna work on some cars today, just record some shenanigans. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride, just because, you know, the informative videos on cars is all cool and everything, but I want to show you guys a little bit more of like my personality, who I hang out with, because, you know, the guys that I hang out with are just straight up my brothers. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Honestly, I have no idea what we have planned. I just know that we're going to be working on Chris's car, and every single time we get together, it's popping. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. We'll see you guys in a second. If you watch my videos consistently, somebody needs to go back and tell me how many freaking times I start a video with me getting gas. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you don't know, but I sold the MR2. I was gonna make a whole video, basically like a walk around, the last walk around that I was gonna do with the MR2, but unfortunately, the microphone that I attached to my phone, because I am now recording vlogs on my phone again, sold my camera. There's been tons of changes basically that have happened, you know, this last like month or two. The MR2 sold, my camera sold, and the freaking microphone that I attached to the camera didn't pick up any of the freaking audio that I did the whole time, the whole day. So I couldn't do a video. I might end up, you know, maybe releasing it, I'm not too sure. Anyway, we're starting today's vlog with some more freaking gas, and California prices are ridiculous right now. After this, I'm gonna cheat on the boys and I'm gonna go get some grub without them before I head over to Ondo's house. And if you guys are watching this, I'm sorry, I love you. We'll eat food in a bit. But yeah, that's it. That's basically all I got for right now. We're gonna go ahead and get some gas, and we'll catch you guys in a sec. All right, y'all, we're here. Hey!
Wherever to go.
Hey, yo, let's go, gang! Alright, so we got this busted freaking Mustang in the freaking car. Ooh!
Straight from the junkyard. Hey, where's Christian's Hot Wheels at? I forgot.
Nah, Ondo probably took them from me.
Oh, I gave him the Continental because I know he been wanting a Bentley, so I had to pull the move and just get him that one.
All right, so straight off the bat, we get here, and we already have some issues. Well, we've known about this issue, and that's just that the freaking sway bar hits the wheel every single time that you full off.
You do this.
Just cut the springs, man.
Jeez.
All right, so this is Chris's project car. You see, it's a 4.6, right?
Yeah, 4.6.
4.6. Stage 2 Roush.
Installed by yours truly, the man behind the camera.
I don't know who that is.
It's
anyway, so that's the oil catch can. Chris did all the freaking cooling system, the expansion tank, the freaking radiator, the hoses.
Hey Chris, I have a question for you.
It's good.
Huh?
Is PBR an aftermarket company?
I have no clue, but it sounds like it. Why?
Your brakes are PBR?
What?
The brakes are
PBR.
Power Boy
Power Boy.
Yeah.
Most brakes don't say anything on them because they're always gonna wear off and everything.
They say PBR on them.
Peep.
And they have like a little like logo too.
Is that a McLaren logo?
That's what I thought too.
Oh my god.
Yo, if anybody knows what the hell PBR is, like, go ahead and drop it down in the comments, because we don't know. I mean, we're gonna look it up in a second, but like, if y'all want to interact with the video, you feel me, just go ahead and comment. Look at the what?
Look at my tips.
Basically, before Chris even came, he went to an exhaust shop and finally got some exhaust tips on the driver's side, right? You didn't have it on the driver's side?
No, I had it on the passenger side only. Yeah, you're right.
So yeah, so he had it on the passenger side, but the previous owner like jacked it up and freaking, I don't know, didn't have it on the driver's side. So now he got some new exhaust tips. I haven't seen them. So that's the old one right there. These are the ones that came with the Roush. That's from factory, right? Yeah, so that's it. Damn! Yo!
See how they look?
Those freaking exhaust tips look wet.
Oh, never mind.
It's OE?
You know how like Brembo makes brakes for OEM manufacturers?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's the same thing, but for Mustangs.
There we go.
That's kind of whack.
Imagine being a Mustang owner.
These only came on 99 Mustangs.
Oh, really?
So if you have a 98 and below and you want 2 piston fronts,
You have to get them off of one of these?
from a GT.
That's crazy. We got the full freaking race garage here. You can see that's my Civic and my RX-8, and then that's Ondo's Camry right there. So
That's also my Supra. As you can see, this one runs on like Crispies.
wow!
This one actually runs and drives Supra. Come over here. Come over here. It has the made in Japan sticker to be removed by car owner, and it wasn't from 1994.
Wow.
3.
Oh wait, what is that?
What is what? That's what you have.
Nope, not anymore.
An automatic.
Nah, dude, it's 2021, so my car can identify as whatever it is. It is now a transmission. Damn.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop that.
Wait, so what's up?
It's also hitting the shock. I haven't even noticed that.
joking. Nah, that's not shock, dude. That's not, dude. Nah, there's no way.
Wait, yeah, it has to be, bro.
Nah, there's no way.
It has to be.
Hey, do your top hats have camber adjustment or no?
Most likely not.
No.
Yeah, because they.
You probably need that. Could be this wheel is sitting in there.
You know what? I probably should buy some
It could be,
photos.
or he could probably just take it to get aligned and see if they
Well,
can do
it's
anything.
alright, but
Yeah,
When they aligned it last time, remember it was awful.
yeah.
It was awful.
So they aligned it once already?
Yeah, I probably need to align it again. So.
Why, did you hit something?
Yeah.
I mean, he's a Mustang owner, so.
Ran over a couple
I should
people.
have asked.
Nah, dude. I sold the camera. You know why?
Why?
To afford parts for the Supra.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, you couldn't. Need a bigger one.
That's what she said.
Could take this off. Do you need to take this off, right? My first time working on cars, guys.
Honestly, I mean, if you're just trying to remove the caliper, just leave that connected. I don't know if you can go inside and turn the wheel, but if you turn the wheel, you can get the bracket that's back there.
But on,
Yeah.
on that side. It's okay.
Oh, yeah, you can turn it.
All right.
You can literally turn it probably by hand. Like if you just push on it.
In 1 second.
One.
No, you can turn it.
Yeah, see, so when the car's in the air.
Oh, fuck. This
What?
thing, remember how it locks?
Did it lock?
Yeah. I hate when it does this shit.
I'm so freaking mad!
Oh, I got messy.
It locks all the time. Don't worry about it.
I know.
So Chris has this freaking thing. Oh! All you have to do is put the key inside and the freaking wheel will turn.
Okay.
Go to the left. To the left. Why are you turning right? All right, you're good right there. There's this one bolt. I would just open this one, like take that one off, and then you can open it like a clamshell. Take out the pads, and then from there you can take off the second bolt and then the bracket. You're not gonna. You do it by
What the?
do it by hand.
Wait, this isn't even. Okay. I
You,
took this off.
what are you using? You're using a 15,
It is a 15.
bro. These are standard sizes. It's a freaking American car.
It's a 15.
I mean, yeah, I get it works, but like, I'm just saying.
It fits at ships for a low flat rate.
Dude, Carlos never replied to me. Carlos, if you're watching this video, you bastard, you never replied. Oh, what are you doing over there?
How the fuck does this come on?
I know, what are you doing over here?
I should have brought the camera over here, damn it. It's all good.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I should have pointed it towards Hondo.
So this fell off?
It's okay. We're replacing that. But that's not good to know because if it just fell off, then damn.
I just touched it and it fell off.
Oh, dude, I was literally right.
So what you're telling me is
I
that
have that.
it didn't have the bolt for the bracket?
No, so like what happens is when I touch things, they just fall off, just like women's panties.
Ow.
Hey, don't put that in there!
Finally got the freaking caliper off.
What? 2 hours later?
You won't be needing that anymore.
Hell no. That's for my mom. That's for my mom.
I'm a waterboard him! I'm a waterboard him! Where are they?
Where are they?
Where are the Iranians?
I think he's dead now.
Hey, yo, just for the record, at freaking mechanic shops, it's the exact same thing. This is why your cars never get done. Get back to work, peasants.
What's next?
Good for. It's just removing C-clamps. more C-clips. Bro, what the freaking heck?
Huh.
I don't wanna come on, man. Nah, low key, brake clean does smell good though. Until you like inhale way too much of it.
No, you know what smells good?
These nuts. Hot.
Wow, Ando failed this.
Damn it, Ando.
He said a gasoline. I think that's a given.
Giving these nuts.
Ha!
Got him. Put it back there. Fucking retard.
It's a good habit. Always put everything back
Yeah,
so that you can always find
my
it.
shit on the floor and somehow I haven't lost anything.
Yeah.
Nah, I can't, dude. I have to literally like put everything back in the boxes. I doubt this is honestly gonna come off. This crush washer is like on there. Major F. Give me that other vice grip you have, actually.
Wait, you think this will cut it?
No, like I need the vice grip. I have an idea, but
Deal weight?
idea way.
No,
That one sucks
Yeah,
way.
What the f?
Your car, is that one bar?
Nah,
One bar frame?
nah.
What did you say, horn?
Oh, I'm a genius.
Yeah.
I'm a genius.
Sir.
Little tip. If you're ever threading stuff in, thread it backwards until you feel a little click. And then you'll know it seats. And then you can go forward. I usually do that with spark plugs. All right. Chris is finally going to start his car. We've done quite a bit of work. We finally got the front brakes done after a few little mishaps. He's going to start the car. Here we go.
It's not starting, remember? Because when the wheel locks.
No, it has nothing to do with that. Do you want to bet? I will start it right now, Chris. I will start it right now. Okay, that's his stupid anti-theft. That has nothing to do with the wheel locking, though.
No, I mean, my bad, not.
Hey, you wanna close that side? Yeah.
Imagine buying a Ford.
Is that enough times, bro?
That's annoying.
Hey,
Just Ford
I can
things.
get some good pictures of them.
Ready?
It's still quiet. I like it. Yeah.
I'll go rev it though. I don't think you want to rev it. Yeah, let it bring up a little bit.
Go for it.
Okay.
Yo. Hey, turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! What the heck was that?
That might have been your fluid. Some fluid came out, spitting out.
Close, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yo!
It didn't get all of me though.
What the f?
What was that?
I think it was
Some
coolant.
Was that the heater inlet? Check the heater inlet outlet hoses.
Oh, hell.
Yo! Well, this is a checking in with Senor Ando. Mr. Ando.
My garage smells like coolant and I haven't had coffee. Go f yourself.
Dude, what the heck? Where is it?
Here's a secret message for Chris. What do you gotta say? What you gotta say? You know what I gotta say about Ando? I'm sorry for squirting all over your garage. Carlos, is your face okay?
I'm okay.
Alright, so for those of you guys who are wondering, basically, Chris was obviously showing us what the car sounds like now without the resonators. And this hose right here decided to pop off
Decided to go bye-bye.
and say hello to everything within the garage within like a 15 feet radius, including Carlita's little face.
Gave me a kiss.
So Chris is upset. Ando does not like the smell of coolant, and now I'm doing work. Look, that's what I thought. Hey, all right. So after a bunch of coolant spilled, fading brakes later, Chris finally has his car back, and it is actually more intact. Don't worry about the dust or the dirt, but it is a lot more intact than what it used to be. So, Chris, you got anything to say? We're gonna end this video here. You're gonna be our outro, brother.
Actually, you know what? Shout out to the burnt chicken nugget behind the camera. Shout out to the celery stick right next to me. and frijol out.